Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. Today I am going to show you how to download Dropbox and how to install Dropbox. Okay, let's get started. As usual, go to the description of this video. There will be my website link www.iammrhelper.com. Go to the website. So at the moment this post is at the first place, but soon it won't be at first place. As time will pass, this post will be moved to second page, third page, fourth page and so on. So to find this post you can click on search over here and search it from here, or you can move your mouse over Windows, go to programs, cloud storage and Dropbox, click on it. So as you can see, this is the post. Open the post. Now scroll down a little bit. Right under direct download links, as you can see there are two links. First one is for Dropbox offline installer file and second one is for Dropbox online installer file. So if you are interested to download Dropbox online installer file, then you have to click on this link, and if you are interested to download Dropbox offline installer file, then you have to click on this link. By the way, both links are the official link of Dropbox, so don't worry, you are not getting any third-party untrusted installer file. Okay, let me download the installer file. It doesn't matter which type of installer file you are downloading, just download it and double click to start installing. Give me a minute to download the installer file. As you can see, this is the installer file. At the moment the version of Dropbox is 82.4.156. Double click to install the Dropbox. By default, Dropbox will be installed in your C drive. I am assuming that you already have a Dropbox account. If not, then just create it from the Dropbox website. It is very simple. If you still want my help, then please let me know in comment box below. By the way guys, nowadays I am sharing lots of free games, softwares and other stuffs in my Facebook fan page. So please do check out my Facebook fan page. All my social website links are in the description box below. Okay, let's log into the Dropbox account. Click on sign in. Okay, now we successfully installed our Dropbox. Click on open my Dropbox. Click on get started. To access your Dropbox, you have to open your Dropbox from here. Type Dropbox. You have to click on here, okay, and to store your file you have to go to this place, click on Dropbox and just drag and drop your files. As you can see, it is uploading our Dropbox exe file that I just downloaded. It's all depend on your internet speed, how fast is your internet, it's all depend on it. You can click over here to pause the sync. So our file has been synced successfully. Please ignore this is not an important message. I don't know why it's showing you this notification. Don't worry about anything, you can sync whatever you like to, okay. And one more thing guys, if you guys are interested to know more about Dropbox, then please let me know in which topic I can make video for you guys. It will definitely going to help me a lot, okay. Nowadays I'm getting out of idea, so that's why I'm making this kind of videos. This is very simple videos and I don't think anyone need this kind of videos, but still some people want, so that's why I'm making this kind of videos, okay. So that's all for today. I hope you find this video informative. Click on like button to show me your support. Comment below if you having any questions regarding this video. I will try my best to help you. Please share this video with your friends and family members and make this video the most popular video of this channel. And at last, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, as well as press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. And one more thing, please do visit my website www.iammrhelper.com. Link is in the description box below. All the social website links are in the description box below, so always check the description. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.